Before buying a 4K camcorder, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Aliexpress 4K Mini Body Action Camera. The Aliexpress 4K Mini Body Action Camera caught my eye right away with its tiny size and impressive features, especially considering it's priced at just $89.98. If you want something that's portable and delivers high-quality footage, this is worth a serious look. This camera supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, which means you can capture ultra-clear visuals even at a distance, great for action sports or vlogging. The 150-degree wide-angle lens is perfect for getting more of the scene in your shot, and the built-in EIS 2.0 ensures that your footage is smooth, even if you're moving around a lot. Plus, it's waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it diving without a separate case. Now, some users have mentioned that the battery life could be better. It runs for about 120 minutes on its own, which might not be enough for a long day of shooting. But here's the thing. If you're planning to shoot all day, you can get the wireless charging case to extend that time up to 350 minutes. For weekend warriors or casual users, this isn't really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an adventure enthusiast or someone who loves capturing spontaneous moments on the go. Skip this one if you need a camera for professional level work, as it may not meet those high demands. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the battery life of the Aliexpress bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Quioff White 4K Autofocus Vlogging Camera, priced at just $49.99. What really caught my attention is how user-friendly it is, especially for kids or beginners. If you want a straightforward camera to capture family moments without a steep learning curve, this is worth a serious look. This little camera packs a punch with 4K video capabilities and 48 megapixel photos, ensuring that every family gathering or vacation is captured with vibrant colors. Its 16x digital zoom lets you get close to distant subjects without losing quality, which is essential for those candid moments. Plus, it boasts smart autofocus. Just a half press of the shutter captures the focus, making it super easy for anyone to use. However, some users have pointed out that the image stabilization isn't as strong as they expected, which can lead to shaky footage if you're moving around too much. But honestly, for casual use and if you're filming mostly stationary subjects, this isn't a big issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option for kids, teens, or anyone just getting into photography. Skip this one if you want advanced features like manual controls, as this is designed for simplicity. At this price, the value is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more control over their footage.
Product number 3, Quioff Black 4K Autofocus Vlogging Camera. The Quioff Black 4K Autofocus Vlogging Camera is another fantastic pick, also at $49.99. This version offers the same great features as the white model, but in a sleek black design. If you want functionality in a more classic look, this is worth a serious look. Just like its white counterpart, it shoots in 4K and has a 48 megapixel sensor, which captures every detail beautifully. The 16x digital zoom remains a highlight, making it easy to shoot close-ups from afar. What's great is that it's packed with extra features, like multiple creative filters to enhance your photos, making it fun to use. Some reviews mention that the battery life isn't stellar, but it lasts a decent amount of time for casual shoots. If you're planning longer sessions, you might want to have a power bank handy. But honestly, for quick family outings or events, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, easy-to-use camera for everyday moments. Skip this one if you need extensive shooting capabilities, as it's more focused on ease of use. For the price point, it's a solid value. Now, if you need something more advanced, let's look at our next option.
Product number 4, LovePo 4K Video Camera Camcorder. Next is the LovePo 4K Video Camera Camcorder, priced at $75.59. What stood out to me was its professional features at a surprisingly affordable price. If you're looking to step up your video quality for vlogging or streaming, this is worth a serious look. This camcorder also supports 4K resolution, along with a 48-megapixel image sensor, so it captures stunning video and photos. The 18x zoom is great for getting those perfect shots from a distance. Plus, it has a Wi-Fi function, allowing you to easily share your videos and photos via your smartphone, which is super convenient for social media. On the downside, a few users noted that the stabilization could be better during rapid movements. However, if you're mostly filming stable subjects or using a tripod, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a great option for aspiring YouTubers looking for quality footage. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between quality and price for vlogging or family events. Skip this one if you're looking for something to capture fast-paced action smoothly. For the money, it's definitely a great value. Now, if you're looking for something more tailored for online calls and meetings, let's check out our next product.
Product number 5, DepsTech 4K Zoomable Webcam, priced at $39.99. This caught my attention because it's not just a webcam. It's a tool for anyone looking to upgrade their video call experience. If you're tired of blurry video calls, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a 1.255-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it delivers 4K resolution, making your video calls look sharp and professional. The dual microphones do a great job filtering out background noise, so your voice comes through crystal clear, even in busy environments. Plus, the 3x digital zoom is handy for adjusting your frame without having to move your setup. However, some users found the setup a bit tricky at first. If you're not tech-savvy, there might be a bit of a learning curve. But once you get it working, it really enhances your calls and streaming quality. This is perfect for you if you're working from home or doing a lot of video conferencing. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward plug-and-play option, as it may require some initial setup. For its price, it offers solid features. That wraps up my take on these 5 camcorders and webcams. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether you're capturing family memories, vlogging your adventures, or looking to boost your video calls.
To recap, we've looked at the Aliexpress mini body action camera, the Quiaf white and black autofocus vlogging cameras, the Lovepo camcorder, and the DepsTech zoomable webcam. Each has its own strengths, whether it's portability, ease of use, or video quality. So think about your specific needs and choose the one that fits you best.